I love the look and sleekness of the Bernina 880, but a lot of things happen right behind here that you don't even see. But sometimes you might need to actually get in here, and if you didn't do something right, maybe undo some threads if some threads have gotten caught. Behind here is where the take-up lever is, but when you thread the machine, you never actually do that system. Let me show you what I'm talking about. It's when you're threading the machine and coming all the way over, we talk about that you want to always push this lit button to thread the needle. Whether you're having it thread the needle or you've turned off the needle threader by letting it do it manually, you still need to activate what is going on behind the magic curtain. So let's say things have not gone well, and it might be a good idea to check to see if you have any threads caught in the take-up lever that's preventing the machine from working. So you have a universal tool here. It's got all sorts of little pokes and prods that we do use. So the one we're going to be using is actually the part that sticks out. And exactly how I'm holding it, you're going to come right to the side of the machine here, and you're going to notice there is a slot of that same side right by the black cover. And when you push it all the way in, the front cover releases. So I'm actually going to do that step again, where I want you to see what is actually happening here, and you'll recognize it like you've been doing it on other sewing machines. So I'm going to thread the machine again, and yes, this time I will snip the thread and pull it out the needle like I should have. And once again, coming back, activating that whole system, and then bringing my threads all the way down. Make sure you're holding on to this side, and then bring it down to the last guide right above the needle. And I'm going to just set it in the needle threader for right now. What you're seeing right here is that the take-up lever is like bowing down to you. Okay, no, it's just down. But watch what's going to do when I touch this button. It's actually going to then be placed into the take-up lever. There's a lot going on back here that you don't even see or know about. But that's the important part, because if your thread's not in the take-up lever, well, things don't work at all. Now, if you're still having trouble, make sure that you clean and put a drop of oil down in your bobbin area. But while you're in here, if you see any extra threads that might have gotten stuck along previous sewing times, you can actually get in and take them out. When you're ready to put that cover back on, just you can kind of see where the clips are aligning, and go ahead and slide it, align it up, and then just click it in place.